Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings and we're going to go to sound and haptics. In sound and haptics options, we want to go to the volume section and click on show more. We're interested in media and calls. So media is music, videos and games, and calls are just calls. We want to adjust the volume right here. You can copy my settings or just max them all out. It will work either way. And what are we going to do next is basically disabling do not disturb. Do not disturb here is right almost at the top, and we want to make sure that it is disabled, that there's no moon icon, because when I enable it there is a moon icon. We want to disable it because it also mutes the notifications and calls, but sometimes it can also lower your volume. Now what are we going to do is we're going to clean the speaker grooves or the USB-C port if you're using USB-C headphones. So the first speaker groove is right at the top here. The second one is at the bottom here. And now after cleaning them with a soft brush or using an air compressor, we're going to press the power button, volume up button at the same time, and press restart twice. So now the phone is restarting to refresh the system, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings and we're going to go to settings, system and updates, and we want to check for software updates so that we can fix our low volume problem. As you guys can see, it is checking automatically, and I am on the latest version. So here we have it. As you guys can see, we got the you're up to date. You can also double check it, but I won't wait so long. And now make sure that you update your software. It's very important because you want to fix those glitches with your low volume problem or any other glitch on your phone. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.